Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically reply to comments on Facebook. So let's take an example that you have created a Facebook page and you have created some post on that Facebook page. Now you have many friends and followers on that particular Facebook account. Now you want that whenever a follower or the friend comment on any of the posts, an automatic reply should be sent to them. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Go to each and every comment, then reply to the comments. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process. The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a comment is received on any of the posts on your Facebook page, automatically the comment will be replied. But here the problem is how the comment will be automatically replied. So as a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in setting the automatic replies to the comments on Facebook page. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page Pabbly Tech which I manage. Now I want that whenever I create a new post, automatically the reply should be sent on the comments. So here I have created a new post, that is a new video, how to automatically reply to comments on YouTube videos published yesterday. Check now. So I have created a new post, okay, and whenever a comment is added on this particular post, automatically the reply should be sent to them, okay. So I'll just log in from some other account for making the comment. Okay, I'll just log in from this account and here I'll just find the page, that is Pabbly Tech. And here I want to comment on this particular post. Okay, so I'll be just posting the comment as thanks for such a wonderful video. Okay, so I have just commented thanks for such a wonderful video. And now here I am on my page once again. Okay, and here I have received the comment from Ashirai. Thanks for such a wonderful video. Okay. Now I'll just refresh this page. Now here we can see the reply from Pabbly Tech. Thanks for the comment, Ashirai. In case of any queries, you can connect with Pabbly team at admin@pabbly.com. So here you might be wondering that how did I manage to send the automatic reply to this particular comment? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. Step 1. Connect your Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. So as step 1, we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook account. Step 2, collect recent comment data in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the recent comment data from Facebook. Step 3, now set automatic replies on your Facebook comments. And at step 3, we are going to set the automatic replies on the Facebook comments. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect will help us in setting the automatic replies on the Facebook comments. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as auto reply to Facebook comments. And let's click on create. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement also. And after that we'll be clicking on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is trigger, what is action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that on the Facebook comments, automatically reply should be set. For that, in the trigger application, we are going to select the application name as Facebook Comments. Here in the trigger event, we are going to select New Comment. Let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection and connect with Facebook Comments. Okay, now it is asking, you have previously linked Pabbly Connect to Facebook. So yes, I am already logged into my account. So I'll just click on Continue as Michael Karas. Authorization successful. Okay, and now our Facebook comments are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page. So I'll just take you to the page which I have created on my Facebook account. This is my Pabbly Tech page. Okay. So I am just taking you to the home page. This is my page, Pabbly Tech. So I want that whenever a comment is made on any of the particular post, I'll just take you to the news feed. So, okay. Whenever we receive a comment on any of the particular post, then it should be automatically replied. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just select the page over here. That is Pabbly Tech. Now here we have to select the post on which particular post you want to auto reply. So here in Pabbly Tech, I want that this particular post, a new video, how to automatically reply to comments on YouTube videos published yesterday. Check now on this particular post, whenever a comment is received, we want to set the automatic replies. So I'll be selecting this particular post. Let's go to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see all the posts are captured over here. So I'll be selecting the post, this one. Now we have to select the filter, top level and include replies. So we have the trail of the replies. If you want to reply to that particular comment, then you can select this option. Or if you want to select the recent comment, you can select the top level option. So I'm selecting top level. Now it has automatically captured the page access token. We are not going to do anything over here. So now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to create a comment on which we want to auto reply. We want to set the auto reply. So I'll just go to the Facebook page and I'll just log in from some other account. And I'll just log in from Ayushi Karasetia's account. Okay, here we are going to search Pabbly Tech. Okay, and we want to comment on this particular post, that is automatically reply to comments on YouTube videos. Yes. So here I'll be just typing a comment. So I have just typed a comment, great explanation, and I'll just press enter. And here we can see the comment is posted. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received. Okay, the created time, on which time the comment is created, it is captured, the name, from ID, message, that is great explanation, and one more ID. So all the details related to the comment are captured over here. Now we want to set the automatic replies. For that we have to come to the action window, and here in the application we are going to select Facebook Comments. Here in the action event we are going to select reply comment on a page post. Now again click on connect. Here again click on add new connection. Okay, so instead of creating a new connection, we can choose the existing connection. Okay, because we have just created the connection in the trigger application. And let's click on save. Okay, and it is connected now. Now here again we have to select the page on which page we want to set the automatic reply. So the page name was Pabbly Tech. Let us select this. Now page access token is automatically captured. We are not going to change anything. Post ID, here we can select the post ID on which post we want to set the automatic reply. So yes, we want to set the automatic reply on this particular post. Let us select the post. Now here top level comment ID. Okay. Now here we can see that the comments are automatically captured. Great explanation. Thanks for such a wonderful video. So you can select the comment on which comment you want to set the comment ID. If you are going to select any of the particular comment, then the replies will be sent on that particular comment only. For that, we are just going to click on this mapping button and we are going to erase this data. And here we are going to select the comment ID from Facebook comments. And let's go to this last one ID. This is the comment ID. And now here we can see the comment ID is mapped. Now we have to type the comment. What should be the comment that you want to reply? So here I have just typed a comment. Thanks for the comment. Now I'll just map the name of the particular commenter from Facebook comments. I'll just map the name, that is Ayushi. And in case of any queries, you can connect with Pabbly team at admin@pabbly.com. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received and then ID is generated. So let's move back to Facebook and let's check whether an automatic reply is sent to the comment or not. I'll just go to Facebook. Okay, so here we can find the post. Okay, and here we can see great explanation. This particular comment was auto replied and we can see the messages Pabbly Tech. Thanks for the comment Ayushika Rasetia. In case of any queries, you can connect with Pabbly team at admin@pabbly.com. So the automatic reply is sent to this particular comment. Now here we can see that the data has captured immediately. Okay, but sometimes this might take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes. The data will surely arrive. Okay, so now let's check this in the real time. For this again I have to create a comment from some other account. Okay, I'll just switch the account to Ayushi once again. And here I'll just find the page, that is Pabbly Tech. And here I'll just comment nice video. Okay, so I have created a comment, that is nice video. Now I'll just go to my page back from my Michael Harris account. And here I'll just go to my page, that is Pabbly Tech. And here we'll go to the news feed. And here we have to wait for the reply to this particular comment, just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. And now here we can see that after 13 minutes we have received the message from Pabbly Tech. Thanks for the comment Ayushi Karasetia. In case of any queries, you can connect with Pabbly team at admin@pabbly.com. Okay, so in this way we can see that we have created a successful integration. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So we want that whenever a new comment is received on any of the particular post, an automatic reply should be sent on that particular post. Okay, so in this way we have created a successful integration between Facebook comments and Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.